Hello, learning coaches. Hello, scholars. Good morning. Melissa Blitzstein here with your Monday morning message. You have been hearing a lot lately about activity logs from your teachers. So today, I want to explain the why behind these super important activity logs. You might be hearing from your teachers, don't forget your activity logs, don't forget your activity logs. But today I want to touch on why those are so important. So as an independent study school, like traditional brick and mortars, we have to take attendance, which we then report to the state. Those activity logs that you are submitting serve as our proof that you are attending school and learning. So like you would be attending your classes in brick and mortar and sitting there and your teacher marks you present if you're in the seat, those activity logs are technically like our seats, right? So that is why it's so important that you complete these every week on Friday by 5 p.m. Now you might ask, do I need to work every single day? And the answer is yes. While we are an independent study virtual school, which means that you have some great flexibility in how and when you complete your work, you still need to be doing an educational activity every single day in order to be counted present for attendance. So this means that you can either be working in your Strong Mind courses, submitting assignments, you can be attending a field trip, completing physical education activities, or even participating in other educational activities such as reading a book, playing an educational game, exploring a historical site, really anything where you are learning. If you are, then you will mark off in your activity log. If you are not, then you will be marked as absent for that day. So again, make sure that you are submitting your activity logs by Friday, 5 p.m. in your My Compass course. Additionally, in order to stay on pace in your courses and avoid truancy concerns, you must submit at least 3 work samples weekly to avoid truancy. Now you might say 3 work samples, Miss Blitzstein, that sounds easy, right? But keep in mind that is the bare minimum, okay? You will need to actually submit more in order to stay on pace and be successful in our virtual program. So, to wrap everything up, make sure you're submitting those activity logs every Friday by 5 p.m. in order to be marked present in school for the week. And also, make sure that you're submitting at least 3 work samples per week to avoid truancy. I hope you have enjoyed this Monday morning message and learned a little bit more about why those work samples and activity logs are extremely important. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye.